So do we need a cheese grater for the Parmesan? That's a vegetable peeler.
Work. You slag.
Ready?
Okay. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3.
Hi! I'm Mandy.
And I'm Lewis. I was thinking about changing my name for this.
This is
Vegans smell better. Taste better.
And
taste
smell better.
And are better.
In every way. Today we have a vegan find at Trader Joe's. Soft pretzels.
We also have a vegan find at Food Fight in Portland, which is WayFare dairy-free cheddar dip it mac melted.
I can't see. Look out. See it?
We are also going to try, for this action-packed episode, Violife Parmesan cheese.
So I've never had Parmesan cheese like this. I went vegan when everybody still used the Kraft shake it like granule parm.
We only had the green parm. We call it green cheese parm in a can.
So we have never had this before, so I'm excited to try this.
Is
that it? Oh, and we have these. These are not really the star of the show though.
But we're going to use those with the
They're to hold the cheese.
The cheese.
So
cheeses.
Don't pay attention to these. What should we try first?
Pretzels.
Okay.
Should we try them plain? So these pretzels are from Trader Joe's. They're soft, big pretzels. And they come.
And you bake them at home, so they'll come out of the oven fresh and hot. That's what she said.
That's what I am.
Fresh and hot.
Oh yeah.
We made one salted and one unsalted.
This one is really, really salted though.
Let's just break a piece off and eat it.
But I feel like you shouldn't do that.
Why?
I don't know. I just feel things.
You know
I
how
feel deeply. I'm a big
I like
feeler.
to eat pretzels always. I like to peel off the skin and then eat the inside.
That's like tearing the wings off a fly. You monster.
I'm going to try the salted now.
The salted one, it's been through a lot of, it's seen things. What I'm interested in trying is the salt in the WayFare dip it, melt it mac.
You can melt it?
Let's give it a shot. So this comes out, it's all creamy and spreadable. And you can dip it just like it's dip, I guess.
That's a weird color for nacho cheese, though.
It's
like the color of butter.
Well, it's less day glowy than like the melted cheese you find at 7-Eleven or whatever.
But you really look for that day glow color in your nacho cheese.
So it really tastes like, I would say like a Velveeta or a Cheese Whiz type cheese. Like from a can.
It does. I think it tastes like Cheese Whiz.
So this is made from dairy-free base, which is butter beans and oats.
Interesting.
And vegetable oil blend are the main ingredients. With Nuchin cognac root powder. Well, that's an interesting twist.
I love it.
Try it with some of these crackers, pita chips. Yeah, this is wow, this is actually really low in fat, but it does not taste it. It's only got 3 grams.
And how much?
And
2 tablespoons.
That's low.
Wow. Impressive.
Yeah, because of its creamy mouthfeel. I would assume that it was 97% fat.
You have to mention mouthfeel every single episode.
Because that's how it feels in my mouth.
Nobody else talks about mouthfeel.
That's what gives us our edge.
I like it better with the pretzel.
Yeah. So should we... Whoops.
What did you just do?
Nothing. So we also have some sourdough bread that we're going to try the parm on. As soon as I skin it.
You're blocking one of my lights.
Oh my God. So, first impression with this cheese is it's almost impossible to get out of its wrapper.
That's annoying.
So I thought we'd make it look like fancy.
Should we melt it?
I don't think you melt Parmesan cheese.
Oh.
But I don't know. I've never been like a cheese person.
Ooh! This has a very strong cheesy smell.
Kind of smells like a foot.
I won't go that far.
Okay. So try this parm. It has a really strong flavor.
Really? I was
think
thinking
so.
it didn't, and then I'd have to try it off of the bread.
Because the bread also has a really strong flavor. I would like it melted,
We should melt it.
but I don't know if you're supposed to melt. If it's taboo to melt cheese.
Parmesan cheese? I think it's okay because they do it on your garlic bread.
I guess so.
Let's melt it.
So, with items like these, I don't really see why so many people quit being vegan. I mean,
don't either.
this is amazing tasting.
It's melted!
Okay, and we're back. And we have our melted cheese on our breads now.
Bread is very hot. Oh yeah, that's the stuff.
Wow.
That's really good.
I don't understand. We've been vegan for 20 years.
Yeah.
Why somebody would suddenly quit? Like,
I don't get that. And you know what I don't get even more? Was like how they immediately go back to eating like steak and
it's like, why did you even become vegan in the first place?
especially the ones that posted all these like animal rights stuff, photos and videos about how cruel animal ag is and everything, and then you just one day quit veganism and then the next day you're eating a steak. That's sickening.
I could not do it. I could not.
No. That'd be
could not
so
go back.
gross. I think that the people that have to go back for health reasons, I think they really believe they have health issues, but I think they created them themselves, like in their mind. Because like, if you're unhappy psychologically and you're looking for a way out, like most people that were ethical, their excuse for quitting is their health. So they're like,
My health is the most important thing. I didn't want to quit veganism, but I have to.
that's why they're all getting sick. And I think they really do experience those symptoms and associate them with veganism.
But it's psychosomatic.
Exactly.
Emphasis on the psycho.
Yeah.
Going back to the food for a second.
Our food.
Yeah.
Being vegan is easy because there's like tons of food. But
Yeah.
it's hard because like your family's not vegan, all your friends aren't vegan, all the restaurants aren't vegan, all the grocery stores aren't vegan.
And there's so many vegan restaurants now.
I know, it's crazy now when people say being vegan is hard.
Or most places have a vegan option.
Yeah.
And there's always vegan. There's even vegan food at Safeway. I mean,
Yeah. I bought vegan sushi at a Safeway in the middle of cattle country in Oregon.
Yeah.
It's
Not like-
actually very easy.
20 years ago when we started,
Yeah.
it was nearly impossible.
Yeah. It wasn't impossible, it's just a lot more work.
Could only get like bread or beans or something like that at Safeway in the middle of cattle country. Now they have sushi. That's vegan.
And kombuchas and soy
Yeah.
milk. In the middle of Oregon cattle country, we got, those ice cream bars. So delicious. No, the Haagen-Dazs. Haagen-Dazs vegan ice cream bars. We got off topic.
Way off topic. Okay, pretzels. I'd say salted 2, unsalted 3.
I'd say 4 for the unsalted. This,
5.
definitely a 5. Eat an entire
I
tub.
have-
And then go back into the store and get another one and eat it on your way home. Then drive back to the store and get 2 more.
I have not seen this anywhere until we went to Food Fight in Portland. I'm gonna demand that stores in this area carry WayFare,
Yeah.
dairy-free cheddar dippet, Macket melted cheese.
Is
Rise up, fellow vegans, and demand from your grocery stores.
I know
from your
these
delis,
weren't part of it,
from your markets. Demand this cheese.
but these just taste weird.
And thanks for interrupting me.
These are it
My
too.
speech.
Your speech was boring.
Your speech was boring.
I didn't make a speech.
Because this is a food video. We don't do speeches in the middle of food videos.
I do. Okay. This is the Violife Parm. I also give this a 5.
I give it a 4. I didn't super like the flavor.
What if we dip it in this cheese?
Was it really good?
I didn't really bite it. I didn't feel like doing that. Cheese dipped in cheese.
It's really good.
Now this has gross tooth marks in it. Okay. Thanks for ruining a block of cheese.
You're welcome.
Is that all we had?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it. Like, subscribe. Watch our videos multiple times.
Click the ads.
Go vegan.
Alright. Bye.